Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami key heart. First of all, you have to take a piece of paper as shown. Fold it into two equal halves and press well. Now towards the crease, press it well. Again fold it and press and open the folds. Then from the other side repeat the steps and press well. Now fold horizontally from the other side and press it. Again towards the crease, press it well from one side and then the other. Now from the other side, fold it and press. Now fold inwards at the point of crease and press it. Fold it upwards. Now fold it from one side to the other. Form a triangular fold and press it well from one side and then the other. Now press it. Now fold it like this. And press it. Now give it a heart shape by folding the upper corners into a small triangles and press them well from one side and then the other. Like this. Now from the corners, give it a shape. Now from the bottom, fold into a strip from both the sides and press them well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel to have the glance of more origami tutorials like this. You may share this video with your friends, family members and relatives. Don't forget to press the bell icon to remain updated. Alright, press it well. Now fold it like this. Be careful with the corners. Now, fold it like this, forming the shape, and press well. And it's done. Giving it some more shapes. I'm done. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.